Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Ali. Ali was a cheerful and kind-hearted child who had a little dog named Max as his best friend. Max was a tiny, fluffy, and always excited to play with Ali. Every day, after school, Ali and Max would go on exciting adventures together. They explored the nearby woods, played fetch in the park, and even visited the elderly folks in the neighborhood to bring them some joy. Everyone loved seeing Ali and Max coming their way because their friendship was filled with laughter and happiness. One sunny morning, as Ali and Max were strolling through the park, they noticed a sad-looking bird with a broken wing. Ali gently picked up the bird and decided to take care of it. He made a cozy nest for the bird in a shoebox, fed it, and ensured it felt safe and loved. As the days passed, Ali's attention divided between Max and the injured bird. Max noticed the change in Ali's behavior and started feeling a bit left out. He missed the good times they used to have together, and a feeling of jealousy crept into his heart. One evening, Max couldn't contain his feelings any longer and barked at Ali, expressing his frustration. Ali, surprised by Max's behavior, realized he had been neglecting his loyal friend. He sat down with Max and explained that he still loved him dearly, but wanted to help the bird in need. Max understood Ali's feelings and realized that helping the injured bird was a noble thing to do. He decided to join Ali in taking care of the bird. Together, they made sure the bird got better, and soon it was able to fly again. As a reward for their kindness and understanding, the bird would visit Ali and Max regularly, bringing them beautiful feathers as tokens of its appreciation. Ali, Max, and the bird became inseparable friends, teaching everyone in the village the importance of kindness, empathy, and the value of true friendship. And so, in the little village, the story of little boy Ali and his little dog, along with their feathered friend, became a tale of love, compassion, and the magic that happens when we share our love with others.